A title screen with the Access Nevada logo is displayed. Throughout the video, page contents are highlighted as they are described, and actions are performed as instructions are given.
Welcome to this video tutorial for Access Nevada. In this video, we will review the functionality of the Annual Performance Report module for district users. What is displayed on your screen will depend on your assigned role, and your experience may differ slightly from what is shown in this video.
The main Access Nevada dashboard is displayed.
The Annual Performance Report, or APR module, in Access Nevada, allows local education agencies to review performance results and monitor progress toward meeting state performance targets. Through the APR module, LEA users can view indicator performance results for their LEA, explore detailed sub-indicator data, and review multi-year trend information. Finalized annual performance reports are available to be viewed and downloaded once they have been approved and published by the Nevada Department of Education. To begin, click the Annual Performance Report tile, or click Annual Performance Report in the left navigation pane, and select Local Dashboard.
The local dashboard loads, displaying a note that the dashboard is not yet available.
APR results are not visible to LEA users until they have been reviewed, approved, and published by the Nevada Department of Education. If results have not yet been published, the local dashboard will display a message indicating that results are not currently available.
A different federal fiscal year is selected from the FFY dropdown at the top right corner of the screen. The page reloads to show the full local dashboard.
Once the review process is complete and results are approved, your LEA's dashboard data and reports will become available. The local dashboard displays APR performance results for your LEA, organized by indicator group and sub-indicators for the selected federal fiscal year. Results may also include configured linked prior years to support trend analysis. Performance results are organized by indicator groups. When collapsed, only the indicator group name is visible. To view the associated sub-indicators and performance results, click the indicator group header to expand the section. Click the header again to collapse the section. Each indicator group header includes an information icon. Hover over the icon to view the description of the indicator. Several icons provide additional context about each sub-indicator. The comparison type icon indicates how the LEA result must compare to the state target in order to meet the target. The measurement icon provides a description of how the performance result is calculated. The suppression icon indicates whether suppression rules have been applied to the results. The performance results grid, below each sub-indicator header, displays data for the selected federal fiscal year and any configured prior years. The grid includes the state target, state result, LEA result, and indicators showing whether the state and LEA met the target. The LEA difference column displays the difference between the state target and the LEA result. To view additional calculation details, select Show More Data columns above the results grid.
The button is clicked and 4 new columns are added to the grid.
Additional columns will appear, displaying the state numerator, state denominator, LEA numerator, and LEA denominator, used to calculate performance results. Select Hide Data Columns to return to the default view.
The additional columns are hidden.
To view additional details for a sub-indicator, click the hyperlinked sub-indicator name.
The sub-indicator detail screen loads.
The sub-indicator details page provides a deeper view of performance results and trend data. At the top of the page, a fixed information card displays the indicator description and measurement information. 2 tabs are available: Summary and Filterable Results. The Summary tab provides a high-level overview of performance results for the selected sub-indicator. 2 graphs are displayed. The current year trend graph, displayed on the left, shows historical performance across available reporting years. To the right, the current year results graph displays results for the selected federal fiscal year. Radio buttons are available above the current year trend graph, allowing you to toggle between bar and line graph views.
The line radio button is clicked, and the graph changes from a bar graph to a line graph. The bar radio button is clicked, and the chart returns to a bar graph.
A sortable data table, below the graphs, displays detailed results for the LEA. Select the Export to Excel button to download the results displayed in the table. Select the Filterable Results tab to view disaggregated performance data. Filters allow you to analyze results by demographic and eligibility categories, including gender, race and ethnicity, eligibility category, and trend years. To display filtered results, select one option for gender, race and ethnicity, and eligibility category. Select at least one trend year. Once you've made your selections, click Apply Filter.
Options are selected and the button clicked. The screen scrolls down to show results.
The page updates to display a trend graph and results tables reflecting the selected criteria. For example, since male was selected for gender, all was selected for race ethnicity, and developmentally delayed was selected for eligibility category, the results displayed include only students who meet all three selected criteria. Each results table can be sorted by selecting a column header. To download filtered data, click the Export to Excel button above the applicable table.
The screen scrolls back to the top of the page.
When you are finished reviewing the sub-indicator details, click the Back to Local Dashboard button to navigate back to the local dashboard.
The local dashboard page loads.
The local dashboard also allows you to generate the local annual performance report for your LEA. Two report options are available. The LEA local report generates the version of the report intended for internal LEA use. The public local report generates the version intended for public distribution and applies suppression rules where required. To view the LEA report, click the View Local Report (LEA) button. The report opens in a preview window displaying the report contents, including the LEA name, reporting year, and performance results. From the preview window, you have the option to download a copy of the report by clicking Download PDF, or select Close to return to the local dashboard. To view the public version of the report, click the View Local Report Public button. The report opens in a preview window displaying the report formatted for public distribution. Suppression rules may limit or hide certain data values within this version of the report. From the preview window, select Download PDF to download a copy of the report.
A thank you screen with the Access Nevada logo is displayed.
Thank you for viewing this video tutorial.